Hello, and welcome to Zoomer Trading. Today I'm going to go over volume. Volume is one of the most essential indicators to have when you're trading. Volume can either indicate a bearish candlestick showing heavy selling when indicated by a red volume stick, or indicate bullish movement with buyers represented by a green stick when they overpower the sellers. The larger the volume stick, the more shares traded within that period. In order to see if the volume present is larger than average, you need to look at the volume MA indicator, or average volume. If volume is higher than average, it usually indicates that a bigger move might be coming. Using volume can really help when utilizing breakout levels, as well as any type of prediction for future price movement. To show the volume indicator on TradingView, click on the FX button at the top of your chart, type volume, and it should appear on the list. Just select it and add it to your chart from there. Utilizing volume on your trades should improve your win rate, or at least decrease the amount of false breakouts entered. Keep in mind that at times, price will move without volume support, only to have the stock go up a small amount and reverse. Stocks are more likely to continue the trend with confirmation from volume. Thanks for watching Zoomer Trading. Fast explanations, faster trading.